I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way.
All right, guys, we're at the range at night. It's as black as it can get. Let me just pan out here to the range. Okay, that's the range. This is me waving my hand in front of the camera. This is me shining light on it. It's black. Okay. All right, now I'm aiming back over here to my gun is at. All right, I got the FX Impact M3, and I'm attempting to shoot 50 yards downrange in pitch black. Pitch black. So I don't know how good this is going to show up on camera, but we'll see. All right, folks, I got a light right here. Hi, it's me. Now the light's out or turned down. All right, again, I'm looking down there, and I can't see my hand in front of the face. It's that black. But if you look, see if this camera here picks up. Yeah, so I'm sending the output of this HD or 4K scope to this 14-inch monitor sitting right here. So I don't have to scrunch up on the scope at night. I can tell exactly where I'm aiming at. Now, I haven't sighted this in, so I'm going to take a few shots down there downrange and see where we're at. All right, I just noticed something. When I back out of the zoom, I can see where my illuminator's hitting. It's hitting the ground below. It's not actually hitting the target. I'm gonna see if I can adjust this illuminator to actually aim up at the target. Oh my goodness, that is so much better. Can't believe. Wow, look at this guy. Can you see that? Okay, at nighttime, you really got to get that illuminator set right. Okay. Wow, now it's bright as day. Okay. And you can change the focus on this, right? So that's a wide focus. I hope you can see how bright that makes it downrange. And again, we are at to the rangefinder here. You're 51 yards away in pitch black. All right, let's see if we can zero the scope in and get something on target down there where I can see. I see that one. I see that one. All right, folks, I think I'm sighted in 50 yards of total blackness. Let's see if I can hit a group downrange of 50 yards. Impact M3, 30 cal. That's on target. I forgot how many shots it was. I think that's 5. All right, let's go up and draw this other target here. Folks, I think I just hit 5 shots on target in pitch blackness down there. You know what? Let's walk down there and take a look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you get, let me, is this focused? No, it's too dark. You're not going to believe this. I got to get this too dark for the camera to see. Okay, guys. That's a 5-shot group in pitch black at 51 yards. And here's another one. I think that might be more than 5. I lost count on that. In pitch black. This scope sees in the dark like crazy. Let's see if I can back out of that. Yeah. The bottom 2 are where I sighted in. The first one on the left is where I could see where I hit the target. And then once I did that, I did 1 shot 0 and got the second shot on the bottom right. After that, it's like bingo. I'm all over the dead center target at 50 yards in pitch darkness. Again, I highly recommend this scope. We'll follow up. All right, we're going to try this, guys. I'm going to see if I can hit a target at 100 yards down right. Got to aim this up. Let's try that. Hey folks, I've noticed that on the black and white mode, targets that actually hit the target don't show up. That's because you got a red target, and on these splatterburst targets, it goes yellow. So the yellow on the red, there's just not enough contrast when that switches over to black and white. So that first shot, I was wondering why I couldn't see it, especially because when I just raised the second shot goes up a little bit. You watch it goes up 5 or 6 inches, and you can see it because it hits in the black part of the target. So anyway, that first shot actually did hit, and you'll see that later on. All right, I got a shot on target. That's all I need to sight this thing in. I got a shot on target. All right, guys, I'm gonna send 5 shots at 100 yards, and let's see how we do. All right, guys, there's 5 shots downrange at 102 yards. At 102 yards, we're going to walk down there and see how we did. I got no sense out here at the range at night. All right, I just shot 5 shots on a target down at 100 yards. My flashlight died, so I'm using a flashlight on my phone. I'm going to walk down here and see how we did. 5 yards or 5 shots at 100 yards. OneLeaf NV400.
I'm scared to close my eyes. I'm scared to open them.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots. I really couldn't tell where they were landing. That's unbelievable, guys. I mean, pitch black. Firing into the night, pitch black at 100 yards. And to put a group together like that at 102 yards, I don't know of anything else that'll do that. That's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, guys, NV400 by OneLeaf. It is an amazing scope. It's my new favorite scope. We'll follow up. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Today's January 6th. It's 7 o'clock at night, and I'm at the range. There's no house lights. There's no stars. There's nothing. It's like pitch black. And this scope sees in the dark. First chance I had that. I actually tried at night at long range. These are 5-shot groups. This is at 51 yards. This is my second. Can you see this, guys? That's the second shot, 5-shot group at 51 yards in pitch black. Pitch black. And I said, okay, well, so do that. Let me see what we'll do at 100 yards. Does it see at 100 yards? Yes, it sees at 100 yards. This is 100 yards. I was able to get one on the target here. Once I got one on target, use a 1-shot 0 and sight it in. There's 5 shots at 100 yards, actually 102 yards in pitch black. So, yeah, this scope's got so much going on for it. And again, I was able to, I'm looking at this, right? I'm not having to get up on that viewfinder. I could if I want, but, at nighttime, on the bench rest setup, to have this as your sight in, it's really nice. I mean, it's really nice. I mean, it's still going right now. This is shooting right there, 102 yards. You guys can see that. That's what I'm looking at, right? I mean, it's pointed down range. Okay, just so you guys know, that's what it's pointed at, and this is what it sees. So, Anyway, highly recommend the scope. Help the channel out. I got an affiliate link down there in the description. And my affiliate link has got this scope at the lowest price on the internet anywhere, $4.99. And there's actually another discount code for 5% in the description. So highly recommend this OneLeaf NV400. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.
I can see clearly.